What products did D-Fend showcase at ISE 2024?
It's our EA2 system. In essence, this is the software-defined radio. It's the brains behind the system, and this is what does all the work. The only differences from that being other is how you deploy the system. So if you look here, we can take this, place it in the back of a vehicle, and with a few antennas magnetized to the top, that system then goes from being a tactical system you just saw directly into a vehicle. And then from the vehicle, we can take it out, place the system into a backpack, put 2 batteries on the hip pockets, and then you're then mobile walking around, and then you can then move towards either protecting somewhere with a military patrol or patrolling around a busy location or a site that you want to protect. And then from there, you can then put it back onto the tactical situation and go. But key also of interest is a stationary system. It's pretty much that system you've just seen. That's elevated up on a pole or a building, provides 360-degree coverage all the way around that facility, all the way around that area of the facility. And it means that any drones coming towards will be taken care of by one system protecting it.